I had quite a lot of questions on the last video about why we went out this window, and it's because all of this was up the side and it would knock it all down. I didn't want to do that, so that's why. Also, we've not cleared this. This is just how it drifted last time, and it's doing the same thing again. It's really weird. It sort of left us a path around the edge of the van. But yeah, we've not really moved that. This is all round here, look. So this isn't us clearing this is the wind. And then this lump still at the side. Yeah.